welcome to my channel. I am Maricita Colours in English.
Hello my dear friends, today I have a new mini tip for you in crochet. How I make new stitches in my threads. By example, this is the arm of my cardigan. This is the front of my work. Here in the reverse you can see the single crochet that I use for join the part in front and the back. So here I will show you how I will make new stitches. I will use the hook number 3,50 millimeters and the same yarn. So here in the join I will insert the hook, and with the yarn I will bring the yarn and I will make one chain of join and 2 chains like the first double crochet. And from here, in every stitch, I will make 1 double crochet. Remember that these 2 chains are the first double crochet. So, in every stitch that I find, I will make 1 double crochet. And here you have new stitches in our thread. This is the way that I will use for make the arm of my cardigan. The important is don't let big space between double crochet and double crochet. When I finish this round, I must make the last double crochet, and after this I will join with 1 slip stitch here in the second chain of the beginning. Again 2 chains, and I will continue making 1 double crochet in every stitch. You can use this technique for your threads, by example in waistbands, for make longer your t-shirt or cardigan. Soon I will show you how I make this cardigan in crochet. I want to invite you to subscribe here in my channel Maricita Colours in English. It's totally free. You can find me in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. If you like this video, you can give 1 like and share it with your family and friends. Remember, activate the bell here in YouTube for that you can receive the post when I have a new video in my channel. Thank you very much to all the persons that watch my videos and write me. We see us in my next crochet or knitting pattern. Ciao, ciao!